Hello guys, welcome to EduKarthik, and today we are going to start with the first exercise. I mean exercise 11.1 of the chapter surface area and volume. So there are total 8 questions. Okay, so let's start with our first question. It is given that there is a cone whose diameter is 10.5 centimeter, which means that radius is 5.25 centimeter and slant height means L is 10 centimeter. So let's take our blue marker and begin with the answer. So solution, CSA of cone equals to pi r L. Okay, pi is 22/7 multiplied by r. Radius is 5.25, or you can write 10.5 divided by 2 multiplied by L. L is 10 centimeter. So this would be 11. Okay, this get cancelled and this would be 105. So this will get 530. This would be 15. Okay, 11 into 15 is let's check. 15 10 the 150, 165. Okay, so it is 165. And 165 what? Centimeter square will be our area, or curved surface area. This was a very easy question. Let's begin with our next question. Now let's begin with our second question with a green marker. So first of all, in this question, it is given that the value of L is 21 meter. Okay, and 12 meter. This 12 meter is the radius. So it was given that 24 meter is the diameter, hence we get to know that 12 meter is the radius. Now here we have to find out the surface area. I've already told you that surface area means total surface area. So we'll write surface area of a cone. So what is the surface area of cone? It is pi r bracket L plus r. Now put the values. Pi will be 22/7, r will be 12, L plus r, which means 21 plus 12. 22/7 into 12 into 33. So it would be 1224.57 meter square. This would be our answer. See, I've already done the solution. Okay, or if you want, then you just multiply these both, 22 into 33 into 12, and just write upon 7 meter square. Okay, because it would be also the correct answer. Now this question is over. Now let's come to our next question. Now proceeding to the third question. Here it is given that the CSA of this cone is 308 centimeter square. Also given that its slant height, or you can say L, is 14 centimeters. Okay, so we have to find out firstly radius, and second we have to find out total surface area. So solution, here we know that CSA of cone equals to pi RL. You know this, that the curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. Yes. Now CSA value is given, so it is 308. Pi will be 22/7 into over here 7 and width. Radius will be R multiplied by L. L is 14. So 7 2 times. So 308 upon 22 into 2 equals to R. Now 2 will make it cut. How many times? 15, 154. And once more there will be 11. There will be 77. So 11, 7. Radius equals to 7 centimeters. This will be the answer of first one. Okay, now coming to the second one. TSA of cone equals to pi R bracket L plus R. Okay, pi is 22/7. Radius is 7 multiplied by L plus R, which is 7 plus 14. 7 plus 14. So let's cancel this off. 22 into 21. 7 plus 14, 21. So our answer will be 22, 21, 22, 44, 4, 462 centimeter square will be the total surface area of this cone. Now let's come to next question. Now let's come to the last question of the video. So here it is given that there is a tent with a radius of 24 meter and height of 10 meter. So in this case, slant height of the tent is not given, which we have to find out. So firstly, we have to find out the slant height. Secondly, we have to find out the cost of canvas required to make the tent. If 1 meter square of the canvas, so the tent, this tent is made have to be made of canvas. Okay, canvas, that hard paper, hard sheet type cloth. So if 1 meter square canvas cost rupees 70, so 1 meter square of canvas cost 70 rupees. Okay, and here we have to find out the money required to that make tent from the canvas. Okay, so basically I'll tell you what we have to do. Till then, we'll firstly find out the slant height. So we know that L equals to root of h square plus r square, which is 24 square plus 10 square under root. So 24 square is 576 plus 10 square is 100 under root. Sorry. So 576 plus 100 is 6 and 6. Root of 676. We know that root of 676 is 26 meter. So 26 meter is the slant height, because the 676 is the square of 26. Okay. Now we'll find out the cost of canvas required to make the tent. So the cost will be the amount of money per meter square, the amount of money taken per meter square for a canvas multiplied by the curved surface area. Why curved surface area only? Because we will just be using this much area. See, the tent won't require the base to be covered. It would just require the sides to be covered. Tent is always made for the sides. So we can say cost of making. Instead you can write cost of canvas equals to pi RL. Pi RL is the curved surface area multiplied by rate per meter square. Rate per meter square. So pi RL means 22 by 7 into radius is 24 into L is 26 into rate per meter square is 70. This would be 10. This into this would be 624 into 22, which is not this one. It would be let me check by multiplying 2 to the 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12. So 8 2 7 3 137 rupees will be the cost. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, and I hope you would understand, you would have understood all these questions, and see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.